Hey Unity developers, welcome back to the channel. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to make a simple crosshair in Unity using the UI system. Before we get started, I want to thank the creator of the crosshair asset I'm using from the Unity Asset Store. First, let's create the crosshair itself. Go to the Unity hierarchy, right-click, and create a new canvas. Inside the canvas, create an image UI element. This will be your crosshair. You can use any sprite, a dot, a cross, or even a custom PNG. Just center it by setting its anchor and position to the middle of the screen. And there you go, you now have a basic crosshair. Alright, now you've learned the basics of how to create a crosshair in Unity. Let's say you want to give players multiple crosshair options, maybe a small dot, a classic cross, a circular ring, or something more custom. Just duplicate your existing crosshair image object inside the canvas. For each one, assign a different sprite to make each crosshair look unique. I've created a simple C# script called Crosshair Manager, and here's how it works. First, I define two public arrays, one for the crosshairs and one for the buttons. Each button is going to be connected to one specific crosshair. I loop through each button using a for loop. Inside the loop, I store the index in a local variable called index. This is really important, because without this step, all buttons might end up pointing to the same index due to how closures work in C#. Then, I add a click listener to each button. When that button is clicked, it calls the setActiveCrosshair method and passes the correct index. That method loops through all the crosshairs and activates only the one that matches the given index, the rest are set to inactive. Finally, I call setActiveCrosshair0 at the start to make sure one crosshair is visible by default when the game begins. This approach is clean, scalable, and easy to maintain. You can add as many crosshairs and buttons as you want. Just update the arrays in the inspector. Let's jump back into Unity and connect everything up. Go ahead and drag each of your crosshair image objects into the crosshairs array. Make sure the order matches the way you want them to appear when switching. Then, do the same for the UI buttons. Drag each of your button objects into the buttons array in the exact same order. Thanks for watching. I hope this tutorial helped you learn how to create a crosshair system in Unity.